What's up fellow Greymanes, here's how you can find the Electro-Mecha Spear in Crimson Desert. If you're a spear main and you want something lit, this one will definitely light up your enemies by zapping them. The Electro-Mecha Spear already has 30 attack damage with a level 1 movement speed bonus. But that's not all. It can also deal lightning damage, but this special feature requires a brief recharge time. Getting this one's a bit troublesome since you'll have to enter the machine-infested Gorthak region of Delesia. I marked its location with a waypoint that aligns vertically with Gorthak's letter A. If we zoom in, it's the A-tag repair shop between this encircling path and this Gorthak warehouse. If you're going there, expect a lot of resistance, since these annoying mechanoids will try to attack you from all angles. The chest containing the spear is just directly beneath the repair shop. When you manage to make some breathing space, make your way under the shop. Quickly loot the chest and you'll get the Mecha Spear. For your own safety, it's best to leave right away after looting the chest. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.